Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're going to be making
this.
What is that? Can you show them? What is it?
Pikachu cookies.
Pikachu cookies. So, if you want to join us for some cookies, stay tuned.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, so now Silas is gonna open up the cookies. What did you get, Minai? What's in there?
Whoa!
What kind of cookies?
One.
Red Pokeballs?
Yeah.
Pokeballs and what else?
Pikachu.
And Pikachu. Let's see. Wow. Okay.
Wait, need scissors.
Let's go back. Okay.
Mommy, scissors.
Mommy got it.
Mommy, need this water.
Okay, maybe Mommy don't got it. Mommy needs scissors. So, let's open this up.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, be careful with scissors.
Guys, want to touch your hand.
Yeah, don't cut your hand.
Guys,
Okay.
I want to touch your finger.
You want to take it out?
Ow.
Uh-oh, careful.
I'm tired. Let's go.
Wait, like this.
Let's
Wow.
go.
Okay, and then Mommy put the sheet on here. And then you can put it on the paper here, okay?
You're so stupid. No, you're so stupid. Such way stupid.
Squishy? Okay, go. Okay, you can put on here now. Do nice, okay?
I can do it. So stupid. I stuck.
Yeah, you got it.
Ah!
Oh, you gotta take it apart. Good job.
Over here.
Okay, so there is 20 pre-cut cookies in here. And we're going to follow the directions. Preheat the oven to 350 and bake it for 10-14 minutes. And then Silas will let you guys know how they taste. Okay, let's wash your hands.
That's all my cousins.
Yeah, for all your cousins. Alrighty, we're gonna wash his hands.
Oh, Mommy, that one's broken.
Oh, it's okay. Mommy will eat that one. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so Silas is gonna wash his hands now.
Yeah, it's so yucky. I can lick it.
Yeah, don't lick it.
Yeah.
Gonna wash his hands, and then once the oven is ready, it's gonna beep, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. All good?
Me.
I see.
I under.
Be
Under
careful.
testing.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah. I'll down the tunnel. I'll down the tunnel.
Yeah.
I'm in the tunnel. I'm in the tunnel. I'm in the tunnel. I'm in the tunnel.
Oh, careful. You
The
okay?
tunnel, yeah, the tunnel is so small.
Yeah, the total's too small. You're big, right?
Yeah, I want the big tunnel.
Yeah.
Doing, 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 doing.
Do you think they're gonna be big cookies? Big
What?
cookies or big cookies or little cookies?
Little cookies.
Little cookies?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I'll buy pill.
And pears. Yeah, you like pears.
Yeah. And all my children like pills.
All your cousins like pears too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 4.
You're 4 years old?
Yeah.
No, you're 3 years old.
Yeah. Yeah, it's my birthday.
When's your birthday?
Spider-Man birthday.
August 8th.
August 8th is Spider-Man birthday.
Yeah, you're gonna have a Spider-Man birthday.
Yeah. August 8th, Spider-Man birthday.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, your Spider-Man shirt.
The Spider-Man cake.
Mm-hmm. Did you hear? It's ready. Let's put them in. Okay. You want mommy to put them in?
But it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot, so mommy put them in, okay?
Mommy, you need those.
Mommy just do it gently. Okay.
That's
So,
what's hot,
in the
Mama.
oven, they're gonna go.
It's hot.
Yeah. Okay. About, say, 15 minutes, they said, so we'll keep an eye on them. There they are. Okay. What are you showing, baby brother? We got baby brother here now with us. Wow. You see that, baby brother?
You see that, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Baby brother, Crimson and Silas making Pokemon cookies. Pikachu cookies. Right? They're getting bigger and bigger, Minai?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Gonna be ready soon.
and all my children are coming.
All your cousins are coming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, I think the cookies are ready, so Silas is gonna open them. Pull it all the way down. All the way down. Good job.
Who's that?
Good. Super good. So I'm gonna pull them out so then we can have some. Yep. So we're gonna set it here and let it cool off for a little bit. And then Silas would do the taste testing for you guys. Where's the red one? What do you think? Do you like it? It's good? You want everyone else to have Pokemon cookie too? Pikachu cookie. They turn out really good. Sugar cookies.
Oops.
Say okay, guys. Thanks for watching.
We're watching. Bye.